Angel number 1176 is a powerful sign from the universe that often appears to encourage you to focus on your spiritual journey and align your life with your highest good. It's a combination of the energies of the numbers 1, 7, and 6, with a double influence of the number 1, which amplifies its message. Here's an in-depth look into the meaning of angel number 1176, how to use it in manifestation, and powerful affirmations to help you align with its energy. Understanding the meaning of angel number 1176. Each digit in 1176 carries a specific vibration. 1 means represents new beginnings, independence, motivation, and the ability to create your own reality. With 1s this energy is magnified, highlighting the importance of your thoughts and intentions in manifesting the life you desire. 7 means signifies spiritual growth, introspection, and enlightenment. It encourages you to seek a deeper understanding of yourself and your purpose. 6 means relates to home, family, responsibility, and nurturing others. It also encourages balance and harmony, particularly in material and financial aspects. Together, these energies suggest that you are on the right path toward achieving your life's purpose. Angel number 1176 encourages you to trust that your material needs will be met as you focus on your spiritual journey. It's a reminder to stay positive, embrace change, and align with your true self. How to manifest with angel number 1176. When angel number 1176 appears, it's a signal to focus on manifesting abundance, spiritual growth, and harmony in all areas of your life. Here are some steps you can follow to align with this energy. Clarify your intentions. Take time to identify what you truly desire. Ask yourself what aspects of your life you want to improve or what goals you want to achieve. The clearer your intentions are, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Write down your goals, and be specific about what you want to manifest in terms of career, relationships, or personal growth. Visualize your desired reality. Visualization is a powerful tool when working with angel numbers. Imagine yourself already living the life you desire, filled with abundance, harmony, and spiritual fulfillment. Create a mental picture that is as vivid and detailed as possible. Imagine how it feels to have achieved your goals and to be in alignment with your purpose. The energy of 1176 supports your ability to manifest through visualization. Practice gratitude. Angel number 1176 reminds you to express gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude opens your heart and aligns your energy with abundance, making it easier to attract more of what you desire. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every day, focusing on both material and spiritual blessings. Let go of fear and doubt. Fear and doubt can block your manifestation efforts. With angel number 1176, trust that the universe is supporting you and that your needs will be met. Release any fears about scarcity, failure, or unworthiness. Use positive affirmations, see below, to reinforce your belief in yourself and the universe. Take inspired action. While manifestation often involves visualizing and affirming, taking practical steps is also essential. Angel number 1176 encourages you to take inspired action toward your goals. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps and work on them consistently. This shows the universe that you are committed to making your dreams a reality. Affirmations for angel number 1176. Affirmations are powerful statements that help align your thoughts with your intentions. When working with angel number 1176, affirmations can reinforce your faith, confidence, and trust in the universe. Here are some affirmations to help you manifest with angel number 1176. I am grateful for the abundance and harmony that flow into my life effortlessly. This affirmation helps you focus on gratitude and opens you to receiving abundance. I trust that my material and spiritual needs are met in divine timing. Use this affirmation to release worries and align with the supportive energy of the universe. I am worthy of a life filled with love, prosperity, and spiritual growth. Affirm your self-worth and remind yourself that you deserve abundance and success. I am in alignment with my highest purpose, and I embrace new beginnings with confidence. This affirmation encourages you to be open to new opportunities and trust in your life path. I release all fears and doubts, knowing that the universe supports me in every way. Use this to let go of limiting beliefs and open yourself to the full support of the universe. I am a powerful creator, manifesting my dreams with clarity and purpose. Reinforce your power to create and manifest the life you desire. I am surrounded by love, and my relationships are harmonious and supportive. Focus on nurturing harmonious relationships, whether in family, friendship, or romance. Meditation for connecting with angel number 1176. To deepen your connection with the energy of 1176, try this meditation. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably in a peaceful setting, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Visualize the number 1176. Imagine the numbers glowing in front of you, radiating warmth and positivity. Set your intention, focus on a specific goal or area of your life that you want to improve. Feel the energy of abundance and harmony. Allow the energy of 1176 to flow through you, filling you with a sense of peace, abundance, and confidence. Express gratitude. End the meditation by expressing gratitude for the support of your angels and the universe. Living in alignment with angel number 1176. Seeing 1176 is a reminder to keep a positive outlook, trust in divine support, and remain dedicated to personal and spiritual growth. This number urges you to maintain balance, prioritize both material and spiritual aspects of life. Embrace change, be open to new beginnings, and trust that changes are guiding you toward a better path. Nurture relationships, cultivate loving and harmonious relationships with family and friends. Stay true to your path, trust in your unique journey, knowing that the universe is supporting you every step of the way. Angel number 1176 brings a message of encouragement, abundance, and alignment with your highest self. By understanding its meaning, using it in manifestation, and incorporating positive affirmations, you can attract prosperity, peace, and fulfillment into your life. Embrace the energy of 1176 with gratitude, trust, and confidence, knowing that the universe is guiding you toward your highest good.